Tokoroga and Tokorode maybe is quite different. Tokoro here is also be Tokoro and the last moment all we did learn about Tokorode. But in this case, we will learn about the grammar of Tokoroga. And what is the meaning of the Tokoroga? The Tokoroga has the meaning that have, ever so, even so, however, even thought, or something. It had a meaning like this. It don't have the meaning that by the way. So you understand, right? So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Tokoroga, that means you should start by some sentence that had the meaning that expectation, and after that you follow by Tokoroga, and after the Tokoroga you follow by the result. That means you should have some expectation first, and after that followed by the Tokoroga, and after the Tokoroga you should tell the result. What is the result of the expectation, something like this. Which, so in the case like this, it has the meaning that however, right, even thought, or even so, like this. So here is the grammar, or it is the structure of how to use the Tokoroga. When you use the Tokorode, that means you should begin the sentence by the Tokorode, right? But the Tokoroga you should put in the middle of the sentence, and it has the meaning that however or even thought. That is similar to be summarize the sentence, summarize the result, right? So let's go to see some example together. In here, our first sentence is say, 彼はお金持ちの人だと思った。ところが、お金が全然なくて、今まで見せたものは偽物だ。彼はお金持ちの人だと思った。ところが、お金が全然なくて、今まで見せたものは偽物だ。Which it has meaning in English like, yeah, I thought he was rich, but it turns out he has no money and everything he showed off was fake. I thought he was rich, but it turns out he has no money and everything he showed off was fake. This sentence, what is the expectation part? In here, the expectation part is start by kare and end by tomota. So that means our expectation is kare wa okane mochi no hito da tomotta, right? That means I thought he was rich. Here is the expectation part. And after that, tokoroga, which means but, or however, or even thought, right? お金が全然なくて、今まで見せたものは偽物だ。So, after the expectation, you follow by tokoroga, and you will tell the result, right? In here, our result is mean that he has no money, right? What he showed just the fake. So that means after the tokoroga, we will tell about the result of the expectation, right? Our expectation in here means that he was rich, but the result, or in the truth, in reality, he is not rich, he has no money, what he showed just the fake. So you can write, use the grammar of Tokoroga in the sentence or in the case like this. Let's see the next example. 私はチームの勝利を信じていた。ところが負けてしまった。私はチームの勝利を信じていた。ところが負けてしまった。Which means that I believe our team would win. However, they lost. I believe our team would win. However, they lost. Are you seeing here? The first sentence, that is the expectation for the speaking or the speaker, for the person who talking about, right? And here our expectation is mean in here is 私はチームの勝利を信じていた which mean I believe our team would win. This means the expectation part. And after the expectation part, we follow by Tokoroga. And after the Tokoroga, we tell the result. So in here, Tokoroga, which means however, right? Makete shimata, the result, right? The result is makete shimata, which means they lost. So when you use the grammar of Tokoroga, that means the result is in the negative, right? Or it's not in the negative, but you actually the result should be the opposite from the expectation when you use the Tokoroga. So what you have to remember that the expectation and the result actually is the opposite for each other. And when we use the Tokoroga, we can translate it to be English like however, even though, or even so. Let's see the next example. 昨夜はコンサートに行くつもりだった。ところが病気で行けなくなった。昨夜はコンサートに行くつもりだった。ところが病気で行けなくなった。Which means that I was planning to go to the concert last night. However, I couldn't go because I got sick. I was planning to go to the concert last night. However, I couldn't go because I got sick. You see here our first our expectation part is 昨夜はコンサートに行くつもりだった which means I was planning to go to the concert last night. Here is our expectation part. And after the expectation part, we follow by Tokoroga, which means however, right? 病気で行けなくなった。I couldn't go because I got sick, right? 病気で行けなくなった which means I couldn't go because I got sick. So I asked, you see here, the expectation and the result is opposite for each other. It's not the same. That means you start by the expectation in positive. That means the result should be in the negative. If you start by the negative, the result should be the positive. It's often in the opposition for each other. 今日は晴れだと思っている。ところが雨だ。今日は晴れだと思っている。ところが雨だ。Which means I thought today would be sunny, however it is raining. I thought today would be sunny, however it is raining. In here, our expectation is 今日は晴れだと思っている which means I thought today would be sunny is the expectation. And after expectation, we follow by the ところが which means however, 雨だ which means it is raining. That means you think it will be sunny, right? But in the reality, is raining, so you can use the Tokoroga to help explain the situation like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。